Hello, I hope everybody have a wonderful day. This is beginning of June and we decided to visit park, and it's very gorgeous beautiful park named of Crystal Spring Rhododendron Garden. And that's open Monday, no tickets. Otherwise you have to pay $5 ticket per person, and open from March 1st through September 1st. And they have many. Oh, so we just bought tickets, and the lady gave me peanuts, and she said you can feed squirrel, but be very careful, they can scratch. So, and at the beginning, I got so excited. The lady was so nice, and she gave me peanuts, because before, when kids were small, we went a few times to this park, and they were selling some kind grains to feed birds, but right now they don't do this. So I was kind of disappointed, but I took few nuts from lady. She gave to me. So, and they have more than 2,500 plants. And this park, they start open around 1950. They have some rhododendron over 100 years old. And I give nut to squirrel. And they like, and I was surprised. I was so happy. Wow! And I tried to smell flowers, but yeah, because what I like to do, smell every single flower. And it's like few ponds there, and it's beautiful. And this specific, it looks like a romantic place. You can see it and just dream. But I don't need to dream. My husband with me, so we went together. And the kids kind of were busy working. Is it gorgeous? I think I have to paint picture like this, because reflection amazing, unbelievable. And they have there like geese, ducks, squirrel, eagles, woodpeckers, and other wildlife. And we saw all of them. I saw eagle. And woodpecker I saw. I'll show you later. And geese and ducks, you will see it. Yeah, because we had just few peanuts, and I did little crumbs and give to them, and they used to people. They're not even afraid. And squirrel, unbelievable. Oops, unbelievable. They just taken peanuts from your hand. That's beautiful place. It's good to visit when you have kids, but be sure you take some grains to feed them, because they're not selling anymore. Before they were selling at that place, but not anymore. That's why we went unprepared. Otherwise, I'll feed them a lot. Quack, quack. They're so pretty. And that little tiny one, oh my goodness. That is so gorgeous, because it's so pleasant to hear how they're doing quack quack. Oh, that duck is diving. Sometimes they like to swim in pair. Love birds. Yeah, and this is park in Oregon State in Portland. This is in Portland. And it's so many beautiful places to visit. If you have time, please don't sit at home. Go enjoy nature, beauty, animals, plants, flowers. It's so many beautiful corners to see, and lake, and river, and mountains, and just get out and see, because life is short. You don't have to miss this beauty. I try to feed that duck. Duck, quack, quack. Yeah, it's too bad that I didn't have enough food. I did little pieces. Yeah, in Portland, lots of different parks. I will try to visit them, at least this summer, to enjoy. Oopsie. Oh. This is geese, yes, Tom. Oh, one geese almost like tried to grab my finger. They're not afraid of people. Used to it. Like pets. Yes, said them. Bye-bye. I'm going to see other ducks. I remember when our kids was little, they were running around. I'm afraid that they will fall to that pond because they just try to chase geese and ducks. It's a good place for kids. Oh, we found little tiny duck. Duck, say quack quack. Oh, earthquake. What? My husband shake the camera. That geese almost jumped. Oh, this one. I know one tried to grab my finger. I said, what you are doing? And this little cute waterfall. It's beautiful. Look at this. And plants around. Gorgeous. What a beauty, huh? Oh, my handsome husband is going to feed ducks. And I'm making a video. See what a team? My husband loves dogs. When we married, he had wooden duck. Beautiful. I don't know where it's now. We probably got rid of it. Cannot collect everything or house will be clutter. Did I say correctly? Clutter? Okay. I'm waiting my brother Yuri to visit me. And then maybe if he will stay longer, maybe we will go to this park. It will be fun. Maybe. Oh, this we saw woodpecker. Okay, right now you will see him. Yeah, it's a cute one. He just working. And not afraid. People standing around and he's doing his job. That's cute and he very colorful, beautiful. And we see eagle, but the camera didn't take him because it was far away. But he was there. This is another pond and a fountain in the middle of the pond. And little bridge and this little field where is ducks and geese walking around. I have one peanut probably left. Try to feed them.
Oh, just chill out. I know you got babies. You're not going to do anything to them.
Oi, oi. What a beauty. Oi, squirrel. Oh, my husband had peanut. I gave to him. Oh, grab from hand. Unbelievable. Or we try to see another one, and sometimes you just making noises, click, 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 and they're running. Yeah, for sure. Next time we have to come, we have to bring lots of peanuts. Because we were kind of greedy. Lady give us few and we tried to like... Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness.
Good job, Daddy.
My husband like happy face. See? Oh, and crows. I give him. We give him a little bit too.
You have to go around up here.
I say bye for Crow. I hope everybody will have wonderful day, and I am give the last peanut to Squirrel. God bless everybody.